Hey friends, welcome back to English Fluent Forge. I'm Tom and I'm very happy phone calling has changed. In the past, saying hello and talking casually was enough. Today, professional phone calls require structure, clarity, and purpose. The modern way to make a phone call starts before you even dial the number. 1. Call with a clear purpose. Before making a call, ask yourself 3 questions. Why am I calling? What information do I need to share or receive? What result do I want from this call? This mental preparation instantly improves your confidence and tone. 2. Professional opening line. Instead of a weak hello, use a strong opening. Hello, this is Session speaking. How may I help you? This immediately shows confidence and professionalism. 3. Controlled speaking pace. Modern callers do not rush. They speak slowly and clearly. Speaking slowly is not a weakness. It is a professional skill. Clear English is more powerful than fast English. Brain new confidence tricks for phone English. Confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build. These modern confidence tricks can completely change how you sound on phone calls. 1. Positive self-talk. Before answering or making a call, tell yourself, I can handle this call calmly and confidently. Your brain believes what you repeat. 2. Breathing control. Take 1 deep breath before speaking. This reduces nervousness and stabilizes your voice. 3. Accept imperfection. You do not need perfect English. You only need understandable English. Mistakes do not reduce your value. 4. Smile while speaking. Even though the other person cannot see you, they can hear your smile. A smiling voice sounds confident and friendly. 5. Pause without fear. Silence is not failure. Pausing for a second shows control. Let me check that for a moment. Speaking had practical English speaking styles for phone calls. Practical English focuses on real situations, not difficult vocabulary. These speaking styles are used daily in professional phone calls. Style 1. Simple and direct. I'm calling regarding your message. Style 2. Polite request. Could you please repeat that? Style 3. Clarification style. Just to confirm, you are asking about the delivery date, correct? Style 4. Problem handling style. I understand the issue. Let me check and get back to you. Style 5. Time management style. May I call you back in 10 minutes? Simple, polite sentences make you sound professional and confident. Briefcase modern English for job, office, and business calls. Professional phone calls today focus on 3 things: clarity, courtesy, and confidence. Job interview calls. First impressions matter most in job calls. Opening. Good morning. Thank you for calling regarding the interview. Closing. Thank you for your time. I look forward to your response. Office calls. Office communication must be respectful and efficient. I will forward this to the concerned department. I'll update you by the end of the day. Business calls. Business calls are goal-oriented and clear. Let's discuss the pricing and timeline. We are interested in long-term collaboration. Counterclockwise arrows button modern call control techniques. Professional callers politely control conversations instead of letting them drift. Interrupting politely. May I add something here? Putting someone on hold. May I place you on hold for a minute, please? Redirecting the conversation. Let's focus on the main issue. Crossmark common phone English mistakes to avoid. Speaking too fast. Pretending to understand when you don't. Focusing too much on accent. ending calls suddenly without closure. Avoiding these mistakes instantly improves professionalism. White heavy check mark daily 5-minute practice formula. Consistency matters more than long practice sessions. Daily routine. 2 minutes. Read English aloud. 2 minutes. Practice common phone sentences. 1 minute. Positive self-talk. Follow this for 30 days and notice the difference. Glowing star mindset shift for phone calls. Do not treat phone calls as tests. Treat them as conversations. The person on the other side is human, not a judge. Every call is practice. Every practice builds confidence. A narrow conclusion. By learning modern ways to make phone calls, using new confidence tricks, speaking practical English and following professional styles for job, office and business calls, you can turn phone calls into your strength. Phone English is not talent. It is a skill. And every skill improves with practice.